Sometimes, in the rapidly changing world of innovation and technology, a forward thinking business breaks with conventional thinking and turns an incredible opportunity into what was previously seen as a financial challenge. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of Tesla, where Elon Musk's brilliance and his unwavering quest for groundbreaking solutions have completely changed the rules for the car business. An explosive surprise is revealed by reputable tech expert Dan Ives, which will have you on the edge of your seat. Not only has Tesla overcome obstacles that many believe to be insurmountable, but it has also transformed them into an incredible $20 billion revenue opportunity. It is a story of creativity, audacious leaps of faith, and the ability to completely change an industry. As we continue on this incredible adventure, you will see firsthand how Tesla has successfully ridden the winds of change to achieve previously unheard of heights. Come along as we uncover the mysteries surrounding Tesla's incredible metamorphosis and examine the far-reaching consequences it bears for the development of electric cars, renewable energy sources, and the world economy. This is the tale of creativity at its finest, when a financial hardship turns into a source of income, and the name Tesla represents unwavering innovation. This is the electrifying future, so fasten your seatbelt. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons first, though. Let's get this video going, and welcome to Tesla Stock News. Let's start by introducing Dan Ives, our main character. Introducing Dan Ives, the singular innovative oracle and mysterious sage of Silicon Valley. He's not your typical computer analyst. Rather, he's a virtuoso of insights, the conductor of a symphony of data, and a portent of things to come in the digital world. Imagine a tech whisperer that can translate the mysterious language of invention, or a modern-day alchemist who can transform data into gold. Dan Ives is that mysterious person who deftly makes his way through the complex world of technology. His knowledge is not limited to figures and graphs. It encompasses an unmistakable future vision. The tech community pays attention to Dan's words. Dan Ives is a computer industry veteran who has constantly kept one step ahead of the competition, as evidenced by his accurate forecasts that helped Apple reach new heights and his astute bets that brought investors immense wealth. He is the visionary who, while many were still doubtful, predicted the explosive rise of electric vehicles. Now, he is here to solve the puzzles around Tesla's incredible metamorphosis, which turned an overwhelming financial burden into an incredible $20 billion income prospect. Tesla has maintained its leadership position and is still imposing its will on this emerging market. The last few years have been nothing less than an exhilarating roller coaster journey for Tesla investors. In late 2021, the company's stock price reached previously unheard of heights before plummeting more than 70%. A complicated web of events, such as surging inflation rates, the Federal Reserve's decision to raise interest rates in an effort to fight inflation, and a general market sell-off that had a major impact on tech growth companies, contributed to this sharp decline. Nevertheless, in 2023, Tesla's stock has started a stunning ascent despite all odds, with a notable 90% increase year to date. Tesla's stock price has frequently experienced extreme swings over its history, so the company is no stranger to volatility. The market's attitude, the state of the economy, and business trends have all historically had a significant impact on how well Tesla's stock has performed. Nevertheless, despite these difficulties, Tesla's stock has recovered and shown impressive growth in 2023, presenting a picture of a business that both Main Street and Wall Street find compelling. This remarkable rise not only demonstrates Tesla's continued appeal as a pioneer in the electric car space, but also the company's capacity for innovation, adaptation, and success in a quickly evolving environment. It is evidence of Tesla's foresight, inventiveness, and dedication to reshaping the transportation landscape, establishing the company as one to keep a close eye on as it continues to transform the auto business. While there has certainly been a general upswing in the stock market and a more positive attitude on Wall Street that has contributed to Tesla's comeback, it is important to identify the company's specific happenings that have thrust the firm back into the spotlight. The growing enthusiasm among automakers to join the Tesla Supercharger network and use its North American standard connector for charging is one such development, possibly the most important. In North America, this Tesla-designed connector is quickly becoming the accepted industry standard for charging electric vehicles. This breakthrough is especially significant because it is expected to have a significant financial impact on Tesla's bottom line. According to one Wall Street analyst, Tesla's already bulging coffers might see an infusion of billions of dollars in additional yearly revenue as a result of this strategic development of the supercharger network and the adoption of NACS by other automakers. Tesla is the clear leader in the electric vehicle market, as evidenced by the fact that even its rivals are keen to collaborate on its infrastructure. This speaks volumes about the company's creativity and forward-thinking mindset. Let's now examine this interesting shift occurring in the electric vehicle market, where conventional automakers are opting for cooperation over rivalry in the development of EV charging infrastructure. In the past, manufacturers engaged in a bloody struggle to take control of the EV charging market. They were determined to develop their own distinct and exclusive charging systems, competing with one another for supremacy. However, there has been a notable 180-degree turn in the sector in recent months. Once steadfastly dedicated to their own routes, an increasing number of automakers are now choosing to collaborate with Tesla and incorporate their electric vehicles into the Tesla supercharger network. This change was sparked by Ford Motor Company's historic decision to buck tradition in May. Industry titans like General Motors and Rivian quickly followed this audacious step, sending a strong message that the tide was turning. Carmakers like Volvo, Polestar, Mercedes-Benz, and Nissan joined the ranks of those who embraced Tesla's supercharger network in what can only be called a rush. Ford has signed a deal to accept Tesla's charging connector beginning in 2023 in North America. Owners of Ford EVs will be able to charge at Tesla superchargers by using an adapter. Furthermore, Ford plans to start producing electric vehicles with Tesla's charging port starting in 2025. General Motors has agreed to implement Tesla's charging connector throughout North America, following suit. In addition, GM plans to provide its EV owners with an adapter and start producing electric cars with Tesla's charging connector by 2025. Rivian, an EV startup, is not lagging behind. Rivian has accepted Tesla's charging connector and intends to give owners of its electric vehicles an adapter. Furthermore, Rivian intends to build its supercharger-compatible charging stations with great ambition. Volvo and its subsidiary Polestar support this change in the industry. They plan to begin manufacturing electric cars with Tesla's charging port in 2024. In addition, they will provide adapters for their current EV owners. Mercedes-Benz has said that it plans to construct its own brand of charging stations that are compatible with superchargers, choosing a somewhat different path. To further serve the needs of their electric vehicle customers, they will also provide an adapter. Nissan is also starting the process of constructing its supercharger-compatible charging stations. Additionally, Nissan will get its electric vehicle customers an adapter. Key automakers have taken a key step towards standardizing the EV charging environment with these calculated steps. These automakers are helping to build a more reliable EV charging infrastructure in addition to making charging easier for their customers by adopting Tesla's charging connector. The car industry is clearly moving toward a more standardized charging strategy, even though it's still too early to tell what these changes will mean in the long run. Leading the charge in this revolutionary endeavor is Tesla's supercharger network, which is fundamental in changing the way we fuel our electric cars. Wall Street has also been affected by this abrupt turn of events, in addition to factory floors. Market analysts are working feverishly to adapt their analytical models to this new era of collaboration. Previously, they were used to a competitive world. Wedbush's seasoned technology analyst, Dan Ives, is one of these specialists who has offered his opinion. He believes that this change in automakers' approaches could result in a large windfall for Tesla, bringing in an additional tens of billions of dollars for the business. This profound shift in the market highlights the manufacturer's adaptability as well as the rising recognition of Tesla's leadership in influencing the direction of electric vehicles. The story of an industry where intense competition is giving way to a common vision of a more broad and efficient EV charging environment is told in an amazing and amiable style. Dan Ives presents a strong case for Tesla as an electric vehicle industry success story in a recent update dated August 25th. Ives brashly refers to Tesla as a golden EV success story, winking at the expanding use of Tesla's supercharger network. Furthermore, he believes that other significant players, Hyundai, Honda, Acura, and other well-known automakers, will probably follow suit and use Tesla's innovative infrastructure. Notably, Tesla is lining up to obtain a share of the $7.5 billion in government subsidies intended to accelerate the installation of up to 500,000 high-speed chargers along the busiest routes in the country. One important requirement from the Biden administration makes sure that Tesla's qualification depends on allowing other manufacturers to use its network. In a time when teamwork is increasingly important, this is a big step. Tesla's supercharger network has come at a significant financial cost, costing an impressive $42,000 per connector for charging stations. Nonetheless, this investment is paying off. It is noteworthy that in comparison to the expensive price of Tesla charging stations, they are significantly more economical. Competing companies paid between $100,000 and $250,000 on each connector, according to Bloomberg. Ives emphasizes Tesla's resolve to grow, citing their promise to double the network's existing capacity of about 5,000 superchargers by 2024 with the addition of 7,500. With nearly all of its power coming from solar energy, the environmentally friendly profile of Tesla's supercharger network is one of its most alluring features. The network has extremely low energy production costs. Ives notes sagaciously that this positions the supercharger network as a strong contender for substantial monetization prospects, with the potential to account for 3% to 6% of overall income. With the right circumstances, this might result in a whopping $10.20 billion profit for Tesla by 2030, drastically altering the EV market. This ambitious estimate suggests that Tesla will have a very strong growth trajectory, with total revenue estimates expected to surpass $333 billion by the end of the decade, a significant increase over the $94 billion recorded in the previous 12 months. This presents an enticing image of Tesla's long-term possibilities. Naturally, the fine print discloses Tesla's skyrocketing stock price, which is already trading at roughly 6 times forecast sales and 69 times projected earnings for the upcoming year. Given the stock's high price, value investors may be hesitant to accept such prices. Nonetheless, Tesla maintains its position as a leading player in the rapidly changing electric vehicle market in the United States thanks to its extensive endeavors in the areas of vehicle manufacture, energy solutions, supercharger network, and battery production. The future holds a wealth of growth prospects for individuals with the fortitude to weather market swings and a long-term investing view. I suppose that concludes this video. We've explored the intriguing world of Tesla, where opportunity and innovation collide to create a spectacular EV success story. There are several indications that Tesla is leading the way in the development of electric vehicles, including the explosive expansion of its supercharger network and the company's forecasted significant revenue growth. It would be great to hear from you now, though. What do you think of Tesla's incredible journey and its significant influence on the development of the electric vehicle market? Do you intend to invest in Tesla or other electric vehicle-related businesses? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below, and don't forget to keep up with the most recent happenings in the stock market and Tesla's universe. Remember to subscribe to and like Tesla stock news. To ensure that you never miss an exciting update, press the notification bell. We appreciate you watching this film with us, and we hope to see you again.